Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com. Today I want to show you an exciting product. It's the gas burner for the Ooni Pro and Ooni 3 portable wood-fired ovens. Now I've been excited to get my hands on this product ever since Ooni announced it, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. From the build quality to the ease of use and the overall cooking experience, it's all exceeded my expectations. You have the burner itself with connected LP hose and regulator, a manual and quick start guide, the hex key and 2 screws for mounting the unit to the back of your Ooni, and a match holder for manual ignition. Installation is really simple, so you just want to use the included hex key to loosen the screws, and then you can slide the burner right into place. With the burner in place, use that hex key to tighten the screws back up, and that's it. Next, take the hose and connect it to your propane tank. Make sure you have a tight connection and turn on the propane slowly. And as with any fitting, you'll want to make sure that it's snug before you light the burner. We'll press the Ooni's control knob to unlock it and slowly turn it to ignite, making sure we hold it for a few seconds to allow propane to travel into the burner for ignition. The ignition is simple. With the twist, you'll feel the click and the spark will ignite the flame. You want to make sure to remove the chimney cap, open the stack, and put the door in place to let the oven preheat. It's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna test the floor of the oven with our Ooni infrared thermometer to see how we're coming along. It's about 800 degrees on the floor, so we're ready to cook. So we got a pizza ready to go. I'm gonna land that right there in the center. So it's been just about 2 minutes. This pizza's already almost done. We're getting some browning on the top. We want to see that cheese melt just a little bit more. So in just about 2.5 minutes, you've got a perfectly cooked pizza, something I'd be proud to serve to my friends and family. What I really love about this burner is it's just so quick and easy, and everything is so clean. You can go pizza after pizza without worrying about airflow, without worrying about how hot it is in there, because that propane stays so consistent. If you have any questions about this product or any of the products you see featured on this channel, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our team. And as always, you can purchase the gas burner for the Ooni 3S and Ooni Pro at ATBBQ.com. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.